Okay, so this is a protester I got to speak with me. He's basically just describing how the president of Loretto has authorized massive deforestation, which is not only destroying the forest, but also polluting the rivers. The people that live in the land are disgusted by it. It's their land. These people who are authorizing this have the authority of paper and politics, and they want it to stop.
Protesters that are marching this way. They've set some stuff on fire. There's a building on fire around the corner. They've broken bottles, and that's what they do here. They break bottles and lay them across the street so that the moto taxis can't do business. The protesters have effectively shut down the city. Including the police, who are armed with machine guns, billy clubs, shotguns. The people of the jungle have sticks and rocks to defend themselves. Things are getting really tense right now. I'm on the side of the protesters. I don't know what's going to